So the weekend's finally here. What are we going to do for fun? Well, it looks like we'll have to deal with a little bit of a breeze blowing the next couple of days. The winds started picking up just a little more today. Winds may gust up to about 30 miles per hour or so tomorrow. The humidity increasing too. You can kind of feel it's coming up a little more tonight. Probably really notice it more by Saturday night and Sunday as the humidity gets back to kind of some sweaty levels out there, we'll call it. But rain chances could increase across parts of South Texas and the Valley by next week. So we'll be tracking that too this half hour, and more mainly next half hour. Dew points still coming up. They're kind of in the mid to upper 50s right now. It should be climbing higher and higher tomorrow and even higher by Sunday. So I imagine it will be rather humid out there if you're doing any outdoor work by Sunday and Monday. It looks kind of muggy by then. Lows tonight, not quite as cool as this morning. Most places were down to 50s to about 60 or so. Low 60s this morning, mainly low to mid 60s tonight. So we're still mostly in the low 70s right now, but we'll drop down into the 60s tonight, except for maybe right at South Padre Island. Tomorrow's day planner goes from about 66 or so in the morning with patchy clouds around, some light winds, to more of a partly to sometimes mostly cloudy, breezy and warm day. Temperatures near 80 at noon and in the low to mid 80s by 5 p.m. And as I mentioned, the winds may gust to about 30 miles per hour during that span in the afternoon. Not much happening across South Texas now. We had some patches of low clouds form today as the moisture starting to increase, but mainly just some high thin clouds rolling through tonight. So you may see some stars out there, and then we may cloud up a bit more at times tomorrow. So future track overnight again shows mainly some high clouds, some patchier, thicker clouds by morning. And tomorrow may be like today, where there may be some clouds thickening at times, but still enough sun to get through to warm things up into the 80s. And the breezes increase during the afternoon from the southeast. And then Saturday night looks dry and just some clouds around, but getting more humid. So by Sunday, it's more humid and still maybe a little more on the breezy side with partly sunny skies and temperatures back in the 80s. Might touch 90 in the upper valley if the sun's able to break through. Monday should still be a dry day, but you notice how there's a couple of little showers right there, sprinkles and showers nearby forecast. So should stay dry, but our rain chances may start to increase more after that by later Tuesday. As far as the breezes go, here are the winds tomorrow, which start off fairly light initially through about noon and then get kind of breezy in spots in the afternoon. Winds may be sustained at around 20 miles per hour or so, and then could get a little breezier by Sunday. If you look at Sunday's winds, you see a lot more colors on here by later in the afternoon. These orange colors indicate what should be a breezy afternoon across the valley. So at the coast tomorrow, if you're swimming, temperatures in the 70s, a little breezy, water temperatures in the 70s, and a moderate risk of rip current. So it should be a good day at the coast tomorrow and a dry day as well. So the first 1570 forecast, 80s tomorrow, 80s to near 90 maybe in some areas by Sunday, but getting more humid by then. Stays kind of muggy on Monday. Tuesday, we'll show you next half hour. A cold front's moving into Texas, could create some bigger storms up north and could try to come this way, some of them by later Tuesday or early Wednesday. So we'll track that for you coming up next half hour. Stay tuned. Channel 5 News at 10. We'll be right back.